Very happy new year. Let me start with a question. What is the first thing that we do when we get home? Wash or sanitize our hands, right? But what about keys, wallets, masks, and mobile phones? Not everything can be washed, can it? And that's why we bring you iGear UV Disinfectant Bag, which can effectively kill 99% of germs from the surfaces of your daily use objects such as gadgets, mobiles, keys, wallets, and whatnot. So, what's technology behind this super effective device? It's fitted with ultraviolet lights which have a wavelength in the range of 230 to 250 nanometer, and the UV lights in this wavelength have a proven germicidal effect and are widely used to inactivate microorganisms across industries and sectors including hospitals. It has been tested in an NABL certified lab and has a large capacity so that you can put in your iPad, mobile, mask, watch, wallet, keys, and even all of them at once. It's super easy to operate, portable and compact so that you can take it anywhere you go. And yes, it comes with a 6 months warranty. Let's see how to operate it. The buyer price of iGear UV Disinfectant Bag, inclusive of taxes, is Rs 2,499. Points is 24.51, NSV is 981, and it's launching very soon. Now, let's move on to the next product. We all know masks are here to stay, and we wear them every time we go outside. But many a times, it's difficult to find a mask which fits well, is comfortable to use throughout the day, and has proven performance. We bring you Wildcraft set of 5 masks with exclusive Amway and Nutrilite branding. These 3 layers, washable and reusable face masks have 95% bacterial filtration and particle filtration efficiency and are designed to provide all-day comfort with great fit. These masks have a hypercool inner layer for cooling effect, moisture control, and also have an antibacterial finish. To ensure you can wear them all day long with comfort, they have been made super breathable and come with a neck strap to allow flexi fit. You can reuse them and wash them up to 30 times. To ensure that everyone in your family find their right fit, you'll find 3 large and 2 medium masks in this set. The buyer price of Wildcraft set of 5 masks with Amway and Nutrilite branding, inclusive of taxes, is Rs 840. Points is 8.93, NSV is 357, and it's launching on 16 January. Let's move on to the next product. What if you can have one kit that has almost everything you require to maintain your daily hygiene? Well, you won't have to worry about your essentials running out. To ensure you and your customers are always covered when it comes to their daily hygiene essentials, Amway presents the safety kit with 5% off. A must-have super combo of essential products to maintain your daily hygiene and safety. From washing your hands to vegetables, disinfecting your homes or surfaces, or donning the protective face mask while stepping out. This safety kit includes 1 Wildcraft set of 5 masks with Amway and Nutrilite branding, 1 500 ml Amway Home Fruit and Veggie Wash, 1 250 ml Persona Hand Wash, one 500 ml Persona hand sanitizer, and one 500 ml Pursue. The buyer price of Amway safety kit inclusive of taxes is Rs 1813 but is exclusively available at just Rs 1722 under our catalog range. Points is 16.72, NSV is 997.5 and it's launching on 16 January. Are you ready for the next product? We spend around 1/3 of our day in our bed. Our bedsheets and quilt can become a harboring ground for germs as we shed thousands of dead skin cells a day. Natural fibers such as cotton are more likely to be attacked by microbes as they have porous hydrophilic structures which retains water, oxygen and nutrients, thus providing a perfect environment for germs to grow and survive. In partnership with Spaces, Amway presents the range of antibacterial bedsheets, quilt and towels. Antibacterial coating is an invisible coating of proven antibacterial agents and is directly applied over the fabric during the finishing process, which is after bleaching and printing at Stentor machine. It can reduce up to 99% of harmful germs from the surfaces on which it is applied. The Spaces 100% cotton double bedsheet with 2 pillow covers is treated with antibacterial coating which helps in reducing the spread of germs so that you don't have to lose your sleep over them. These bedsheets have long-lasting sheen and the colors used in their printing are safe for skin. Let's have a look at the gorgeous designs. We have mild teal, light pink, white and blue for those who want the best of both worlds, navy blue with large floral motifs, and a cool ice blue. The buyer price of these bedsheets inclusive of taxes is Rs 1399. Points is 14.45 and NSV is 578. Their launch date is 16 January. Be it lazing around on couch on a warm Sunday afternoon or having a cup of hot chocolate in a winter night, the Spaces antibacterial double bed quilt is soft, warm and lightweight to give you all year-round comfort. It's treated with antibacterial finish which helps in reducing the spread of germs so that you can have a warmer and cozier sleep without worrying about them. Let's have a look at their two beautiful designs. Deep navy blue with light yellow and white floral motifs and maroon with full body tree motifs. Their buyer price inclusive of taxes is Rs 2499. Points is 24.51 and NSV is 981. They'll be launching very soon. And off we go to the next product. Towels are required to be clean and hygienic, but with the frequent usage, they remain damp for hours and can eventually become perfect breeding ground for germs. So, how do we get an even more hygienic bath? Well, with Spaces antibacterial cotton bamboo towel. Made with cotton and bamboo yarns and treated with antibacterial coating, this towel is feather soft, extraordinarily smooth, highly water absorbent and it dries very quickly. Available in two colors, their buyer price inclusive of taxes is Rs 720, points is 7.94 and NSV is 318. It's launching on 16 January. Let's have a look at the colors available. Cool blue and chili red. Well, this is not the end and will be continuing throughout this month and beyond through regional webinars and support selling and training with digital leaflet, social media product posts and how to use video of the iGear UV disinfectant bag. Thank you and now